Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: an updated iPhone 15 and at least 20% battery so the scan won't pause. Once done, open Settings, tap Face ID and passcode, and enter your passcode to start. Now position your face inside the on-screen circle, keep the device at arm's length, and follow prompts. This first pass trains the camera on your unique geometry, so move slowly and keep expressions natural. Doing this well makes recognition faster and more reliable later. Continue by performing the 2 required rotations. Slowly turn your head to complete the full circular scans the iPhone asks for. Make sure to include common variations. Try scanning with and without glasses or after grooming facial hair, because Face ID builds a flexible model of your face. If you regularly wear a hat or heavy makeup, set an alternate appearance. This helps the system match you versus rejecting you. Keep steady breathing and small movements so the sensors capture consistent depth and texture data. Finish by testing Face ID. Lock the phone, then wake it and confirm it unlocks, and try authenticating a purchase or password autofill. Make sure attention awareness is enabled for extra security and better daytime performance. If Face ID fails, don't panic. Reset Face ID and repeat the setup under diffuse, even lighting. Avoid strong backlight or direct sunlight. This usually resolves errors by giving the True Depth system clearer depth cues, improving recognition consistency across settings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.